All right, y'all. I'm back on this Instagram live. Okay. Yeah, bro. Yep. The rain continues, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Just got off of YouTube live. Got off of Facebook live. Now I'm on Instagram live. Okay. All right. I kind of wonder if Randy TV ugly self be watching my videos. Who knows? Okay. I wanted to get Nyla to join me. You know, FaceTime live stream interview and stuff like that. Yes, indeed, yo. Yeah. Like Nyla always say, poo poo booty. Yes, indeed, Nyla, you goofy. You a poo poo girl. That's what you are. Yes, indeed. Nyla, you a poo poo girl. Yeah, we saying poo poo booty snow. Me and Nyla should have gotten married, y'all. I wish me and Nyla would have gotten married. She should have been a good wife for me. Yeah, I always claim she's my wife, you know, but unnecessarily, well, necessarily she not my wife. She not necessarily my Como furniture. Yep, Como furniture. Gotta go to Como. All right. Yep. So, I almost dropped this camera phone. You know, I almost dropped this camera phone. You know, my bad. You know. So I want to tell Brittany to accept my friend request so she can watch my video. Rain is slacking up a little bit, you know. The rain continues, but it's slacking up right now. Okay. All right. So that's it for now. All right. Hope y'all enjoying this Louisiana weather. All right. Bye.